What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to be trying the brand new Crystal Kontrolfreek Galaxies. These things already look fantastic because they're the Galaxies. Galaxies are my favorite Kontrolfreek ever. And maybe one day, we could get some custom Blexz ones, maybe some red Galaxies. I don't know, just throwing it out there. But we're going to slap these on the controller, hop in some ranked, clap some kids, and just show you why you should purchase some Kontrolfreeks, improve your skill, and use code Blexz for a discount. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, they are looking nice. We got them bad boys slapped on the controller. I do have some extra ones for Xbox that I may potentially do a giveaway. If you want me to give away some Xbox Crystal Galaxies, let me know down in the comments, and I might just do it. But for now, we're going to go ahead and hop into a game of ranked and just literally clap some kids, bro. We're also going to put it on push to talk just because, I want to talk to y'all. And, I feel like no one ever really uses their mics in ranked anymore. So people either don't use their mic or they just have yes, sirski.
Let's go, buddy. What's up, fella?
It's good. Holy crap.
Someone, oh yeah, deep hallway. One tap.
Got him?
Hello, motherfucker.
Oh my god, I just got quick scoped.
Next one.
Oh, I got one off.
Hardpoint relocating. Stand by. Threats in the perimeter. Hardpoint relocated. Enemy.
Someone caught it.
Locating the next hardpoint. Get ready. Hardpoint compromised. Secure the area. Enemy targets at the hardpoint.
I broke it. Come on. One stairs.
Hardpoint compromised. Secure the area.
Bedroom dead.
One's left staircase.
Two stairs. One dead. One more.
Honestly,
Threats in the perimeter.
Oh, dude. I don't know where this... I don't even think he's still there. Stairs. Oh, no.
Location updated. Hardpoint.
I got your trade.
box landed.
Double arches. Double arches still. Oh my god, there's 3 double arches. Oh, dude, this kid with this quick scoping, bro. Oh, bro. That man's just cold with it, I'm not even gonna lie. Stairs. Oh my god, I'm stunned.
Reception.
There's one coming upstairs.
Oh, dude. Good oh, Chandelier. I'm surprised I got that kill, bro. I should have died 100%. Go next. You got your trade.
Stand by. Location updated. Capture the hardpoint.
Core's weak.
No, there's 2 on Good break. I got a trophy down.
Hostage compromised. Secure the area.
One more. Good stuff. Carpets. Good win. Let's go, baby. Oh, I'm actually feeling it after that game, bro. I'm not gonna lie, that was a solid game. A very solid game. I will give these a 10 out of 10 because, you know, like I said, they're the Galaxies. Galaxies are my favorite Kontrolfreek. They're clear, which, I mean, it's not bad. They look really nice. Dude, the camera just doesn't want to focus today. I really like these Kontrolfreeks. They, my fingers didn't slip. I was hitting a lot of my shots, as you can see in the gameplay. I recommend them to anybody, obviously, because they're Galaxies. You should go pick them up. Use code BLEXZ, and that's going to be the end of the video. Peace.